In this video, we will see the pre-alpha version of the unofficial Mapbox SDK. First, we are seeing the demo of rendering raster tiles. This is a 5 by 5 grid, so total of 25 tiles. I am panning. As we are panning, new tiles are loading. Once the tiles are loaded, and if I try to pan across them again, they are already cached. The images are cached. We are directly using the Mapbox API to render these raster tiles. In Mapbox, I can zoom in, zoom out, and I can select individual tiles and I can see their specific IDs as I come out of the play mode. Right now we are in the New York area for this demo. After this, we will move forward and take a look at how we are rendering the Mapbox vector tiles for 3D buildings layer. So this is a single grid, just a single element. Moving forward, you will see a tiled option also. So each tile has multiple buildings. I'm just going to disable of them and trying to enable single and see them. Right now there is some issue, some artifacts with the mesh generation. So in some cases the mesh generation is perfect, however in some cases there are some problem with the tangents and the vertex position, so you can see some flickering over there. So we'll and as we did with the raster tiles demo, we will try to pan the map and see how the new tile loads dynamically, and it loads the relevant MVT file for it as well using the Mapbox API. So this is me trying to pan horizontal and vertical. Let's get out of here and let's try to increase the tile range. So now we are trying to use 2 by 2. So this has more tiles than the previous version, trying to pan raster images, and the 3D layers loads up fairly quickly. Let's try to load 5 by 5 version, so a total of 25 tiles with the 3D layer. Let's see what we get. So this is raster tiles plus 3D MVT tiles for the New York region. Right now this is in a very demo phase, very pre-alpha phase. I'm doing more optimizations as I go forward. Very short sweet demo I wanted to share with you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.